Hello guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. If you are new, welcome. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to renew your driving license for 1 year. So go to your browser of your choice and type eCitizen.go.ke. This is how the official eCitizen website looks like. Click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the login page. Enter your email address or ID number and password depending on what you use. Click on sign in. eCitizen is going to send an OTP, one-time password, so choose where you want to receive it, whether the code should be sent to your email or your phone. Choose the one you have access to. Once you receive the OTP, whether in your email address or phone number, enter it in the OTP verification and click on next. The eCitizen website is going to open the portal, so ensure that the details are correct, that you are going to make the application using your account. Once you verify that all the information is correct, scroll down and click on NTSA, National Transport and Safety Authority. NTSA New, there is the old portal and the new portal. Both portals have different services available, so to renew your driving license, click on the new one. eCitizen is going to again ask you to confirm that you're making the application using your account. Once you confirm it's correct, click on continue. The NTSA portal is going to open. This is how it looks like, the homepage. It's going to show your details such as your name, your ID number, your driving experience, how many years have you been a driver, your driving points and such. So to renew a driving license, click on renew under the driving license section. It's going to open the driving license renewal page. This is how it looks like. Choose the type of renewal, which is the 1 year red book with the virtual, which is now the virtual driving license. Confirm that all the other details are correct, such as the license number, the date of expiry, ID number and name. Scroll down and enter the required details such as the place of birth, your blood group, your country of residence and your physical address. The blood group you can choose unknown if you don't know your type. Place of birth is where you are born. Country of residence where you are currently residing, and your physical address where you are located. Make sure that you also attach your passport photo in the attach passport photo section. That is mandatory. Confirm that the application is true to your knowledge and then click on renew. It's going to take you to the payment page. Choose your form of payment, how you want to pay. So if you're using M-Pesa, this is how the M-Pesa payment looks like. The amount is 650 shillings. So enter the phone number you're going to use to pay. You don't necessarily have to use your phone number, assuming the funds are not in your phone number. So enter the phone number you want to pay with and then click on initiate payment. eCitizen is going to send a prompt to your phone or the phone of the phone number you entered, asking you if you want to pay 650 to eCitizen. So if it's true, enter your PIN number and just click on send. The amount will be credited to your eCitizen account. In case that fails, you can go to M-Pesa menu and choose pay bill. Enter the pay bill number, enter the account number that will be shown on your screen, and then enter the 650 and pay. Once your payment has been successful, scroll down and click on complete. Congratulations, you have successfully renewed your driving license for 1 year. Once your payment was processed successfully, you're going to receive a success message and you'll be taken to the download section. Download your driving license by clicking on download, print and laminate and keep a copy. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Today we learned how to renew our driving license for 1 year. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye bye.